Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more yoga tips and tutorials. Today, we're discussing how to set up your home yoga practice and stay motivated. Let's dive in. Creating a dedicated space for your yoga practice at home can transform your routine and keep you motivated. Here are the essentials you need. First, invest in a good quality yoga mat. It provides the foundation for your practice and helps with grip and comfort. Choose a mat that is durable and has the right thickness for your needs. Next, gather some essential props like yoga blocks, straps, and bolsters. These tools can support your practice and make poses more accessible. Props help you achieve proper alignment and deepen your stretches. Wear comfortable and breathable clothing that allows you to move freely. Opt for outfits that are not too tight, but provide support where needed. Set up a calming environment with elements like candles, essential oils, or soft lighting to enhance your practice. Set up a calming environment with elements like candles, essential oils, or soft lighting to enhance your practice. A peaceful space can make your practice more enjoyable and help you stay focused. Now let's talk about staying motivated. Consistency is key to reaping the benefits of yoga. Schedule your yoga sessions like appointments and stick to them. Use a planner or calendar to track your progress. Set achievable goals for your practice. Whether it's mastering a new pose or increasing your flexibility, having goals keeps you motivated. Write down your goals and review them regularly to stay on track. Find inspiration through online classes, yoga challenges, or connecting with a yoga community. Join virtual classes or follow yoga instructors on social media for new ideas and motivation. With the right essentials and motivation, you can create a fulfilling home yoga practice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment below with your home yoga setup or any questions you have. Thanks for watching and namaste.